We all want to feel safe and secure in our homes. It's a fundamental need that transcends age, location, and lifestyle. Whether you live in a bustling city or a quiet suburb, the desire for safety is universal. A good home security system can give you that peace of mind. It's not just about protecting your property, it's about creating a sanctuary where you and your family can feel truly at ease. It acts as a deterrent to burglars and can alert you to potential danger. The mere presence of a security system can make a would-be intruder think twice before attempting a break-in. There are many different components to a home security system. Each one plays an important role in keeping your home and family safe. From cameras to sensors, every piece works together to create a comprehensive shield of protection. Security cameras are your eyes and ears when you're not home. They provide real-time monitoring and can record footage that can be crucial in the event of an incident. They can capture footage of any suspicious activity. This footage can be used to identify intruders and provide evidence to law enforcement. Motion sensors detect movement, triggering alarms or lights to scare off intruders. These sensors are highly sensitive and can cover a wide area, ensuring that no movement goes unnoticed. Alarms are your first line of defense, sounding the siren when a breach is detected. The loud noise can startle intruders and alert neighbors, increasing the chances of the intruder being caught. Modern systems often include features like door and window sensors. These sensors are discreet yet highly effective, providing an additional layer of security. These sensors trigger an alert if a door or window is opened unexpectedly. This immediate notification allows you to take swift action, whether you're at home or away. Glass break sensors detect the sound of breaking glass, adding another layer of protection. These sensors are designed to recognize the specific frequency of breaking glass, ensuring accurate detection. Many systems can also be controlled remotely, using your smartphone or computer. This feature allows you to monitor and manage your security system from anywhere in the world, providing unparalleled convenience and peace of mind. Investing in a home security system is investing in your peace of mind. It's a proactive step towards ensuring the safety and security of your home and loved ones. It provides an extra layer of protection for your loved ones and valuables. Knowing that your home is equipped with a robust security system can significantly reduce stress and anxiety. Plus, it can give you a sense of control and security, knowing that your home is well protected. In today's world, where uncertainties are a part of life, having a reliable home security system can make all the difference. It's not just about technology, it's about creating a safe haven for you and your family. Before you start installing a home security system, you need to assess your specific needs. This initial step is crucial because it helps you understand the unique aspects of your home that require protection. Without a thorough assessment, you might miss critical vulnerabilities that could compromise your security. Every home is different, and your security system should be tailored to your unique situation. A one-size-fits-all approach rarely works when it comes to security. Customizing your system ensures that you address the specific risks and challenges your home presents. Start by walking around the exterior of your home. Look for any potential vulnerabilities, such as easy access points or hidden areas. Pay attention to windows that are easily reachable, doors that might not be as secure as they should be, and any other entry points that could be exploited. Consider the layout of your property. Are there large trees or bushes that could provide cover for intruders? These natural elements can be both a blessing and a curse. While they add beauty to your home, they can also offer hiding spots for potential intruders. Do you have a fence? And if so, is it secure? A sturdy, well-maintained fence can be a significant deterrent to would-be intruders. Check for any weak spots or areas that could be easily breached. Next, think about the interior of your home. Identify valuable items and areas that need extra protection. This could include electronics, jewelry, important documents, and other high-value items. Consider using a safe for these items to add an extra layer of security. Consider the number of entry points to your home. How many doors and windows do you have? Each entry point represents a potential vulnerability, so it's essential to ensure they are all secure. Are there any other potential access points, such as a basement door or garage door? These areas are often overlooked, but can be prime targets for intruders. Make sure they are as secure as the main entry points. Finally, think about your lifestyle and habits. Do you live alone or do you have a family? The presence of children or elderly family members might necessitate additional security measures. Do you travel frequently or are you usually home? Frequent travelers might need more robust security systems, including remote monitoring capabilities, while those who are home often might prioritize different features. By carefully assessing your home security needs, you can choose the right components and create a system that provides comprehensive protection. This might include alarms, cameras, motion detectors, and smart home integration. The goal is to create a layered security approach that addresses both the exterior and interior of your home, ensuring peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Installing a home security system yourself requires the right tools. Having the essential equipment on hand will make the installation process smoother and more efficient. Start with basic hand tools like a screwdriver, drill, hammer, and pliers. These will be used for mounting cameras, sensors, and other components. A stud finder is crucial for locating wall studs to ensure secure mounting. You'll also need electrical tape and zip ties for cable management and securing wires. A level will help you install cameras and sensors straight. A measuring tape is essential for determining distances and ensuring proper placement. For more advanced systems, you may need additional tools like a fish tape for running wires through walls and a voltage tester for working with electrical connections. Having these tools readily available will save you time and frustration during the installation process. Remember to always prioritize safety and wear appropriate protective gear when working with tools and electrical components. Section 4. Eyes on the prize strategic camera placement. Camera placement is crucial for effective home security. You want your cameras to cover all the important areas both inside and outside your home. Start with the exterior. Position cameras to monitor all entry points like doors, windows, and the garage. Aim your cameras at high-traffic areas like walkways, driveways, and backyards. Consider placing a camera at the end of your driveway to capture license plates. For the interior, focus on common areas like living rooms, hallways, and stairwells. Avoid placing cameras in private areas like bedrooms and bathrooms. When mounting cameras, choose locations that provide a clear view of the target area. Ensure cameras are mounted high enough to be out of reach, but not so high that they provide a poor viewing angle. Think about lighting conditions. Cameras with night vision or infrared capabilities are essential for monitoring areas with low light. By strategically placing your cameras, you can maximize their effectiveness and ensure comprehensive coverage of your property. Section 5. Motion sensors and alarms, early warning systems. In this section, we will delve into the importance of motion sensors and alarms in creating a secure environment for your home. Motion sensors and alarms work together to provide an early warning system for your home. These devices are essential in detecting unauthorized entry and alerting you or the authorities in real time. Motion sensors are designed to detect movement in a specific area. They use various technologies such as infrared, ultrasonic, and microwave to sense motion and trigger an alert. When triggered, they send a signal to the alarm system. This signal can then activate an audible alarm, send a notification to your phone, or alert a monitoring service. Alarms can be audible, emitting a loud siren to scare off intruders. The sudden noise can deter burglars and alert neighbors to the presence of an intruder. They can also be silent, sending a notification to your phone or a monitoring service. Silent alarms are particularly useful in situations where you do not want to alert the intruder that they have been detected. Place motion sensors in strategic locations to cover potential entry points. This includes areas such as doors, windows, and other vulnerable spots where an intruder might gain access. Install them near doors, windows, hallways, and stairwells. These are common pathways that intruders use to navigate through a home. For outdoor areas, consider using motion sensors with adjustable sensitivity to avoid false alarms from animals or passing cars. This feature allows you to fine-tune the sensor to detect human movement while ignoring smaller, less significant motions. When setting up your alarm system, choose a code that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Avoid using obvious codes like birthdays or sequential numbers. Test your alarm system regularly to ensure it is functioning properly. Regular testing helps identify any issues with the sensors or the alarm system itself, allowing you to address them before they become a problem. Familiarize yourself with the different alarm modes, such as stay mode for when you are home and away mode for when you are out. Each mode offers different levels of security and can be customized to fit your needs. By properly installing and configuring your motion sensors and alarms, you can create a robust security system that provides peace of mind. A well-designed system not only protects your property, but also ensures the safety of your loved ones. Investing in a comprehensive early warning system is a proactive step towards safeguarding your home. It allows you to respond quickly to potential threats and minimizes the risk of loss or damage. Consider consulting with a professional to design and install your security system. Professionals can offer valuable insights and ensure that your system is optimized for maximum effectiveness. Modern security systems often come with smartphone integration, allowing you to monitor and control your system remotely. This feature adds an extra layer of convenience and security, giving you control at your fingertips. Remember, the goal of an early warning system is not just to detect intrusions, but to prevent them. By making your home a harder target, you can deter potential intruders and keep your home safe. Ultimately, a well-implemented early warning system provides peace of mind, knowing that your home and loved ones are protected. It allows you to enjoy your time at home without constantly worrying about security threats. Stay vigilant, stay secure, and take the necessary steps to protect your home with a reliable early warning system.